This call is now being recorded.
Okay. So previous day we actually have gone through the topic of true length of a line, right? Somebody please communicate with me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also the angle of a line with the planes, with the horizontal plane, with the vertical plane and the profile plane. These things we have come across. Now the same thing we will concentrate, and we will see that instead of revolution method, can we actually have any other method in order to have this particular true length to be achieved, and also that particular alpha, beta and gamma, those are the angle with the horizontal, vertical and profile planes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let me show you the presentation. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh. So this was the case, right? You had a line which is not horizontal, which is not a profile line, so it will have two particular views in the horizontal and the vertical plane. Up to this, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now you see that how we can get actually the true length of the line. The one method we have shown is that we may revolute it, and after revolution we can get the true length in the other plane. But there can be another option. Think about it. I am showing you the video. I think you will get it. If you look from this side to this line, that is exactly perpendicular to the line, if you see, you are going to get the true length in some plane which is parallel to this line, isn't it? I am carrying on with the video. See, if you see through this line in this way, which is perpendicular to this line, and if you consider a plane parallel to this line, that is an additional plane. How that plane will look like in the 3D? This plane will look like in the 3D like this. This yellow plane is parallel to this particular line, and the corresponding view on this plane will give you the true length. Should I repeat the total procedure? Somebody please communicate, otherwise I am
Yes,
not
sir.
getting. Okay. So what we have done, we have taken a plane parallel to the horizontal view of this particular line, right? See, this is the horizontal projection. We have taken a plane parallel to this projection, this yellow plane, right? And on this yellow plane, it is seen that this particular line is getting seen in its true length. Is it clear to you guys or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is the angle this will give on this plane? Which angle this will give? If I get this angle, which angle this will intend on this plane? Isn't it the angle with the horizontal plane? Isn't it the angle with the horizontal plane? Follow my cursor. This angle, if we see, isn't it the angle with the horizontal plane?
Yes.
So, if we can get this particular view on this additional plane, what can we say? That this particular line will have the true length on this plane, and also the angle that will intend will give the angle with the horizontal plane. Follow the total process. You actually took a plane parallel to the horizontal projection, and that is when all these things occur. Is it okay to you or not?
স্যার আরেকবার বলুন।
Okay. You have taken a plane parallel to the horizontal projection, isn't it? Follow step by step, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And what happened? You got the true length of the line on this plane, this particular yellow plane. Are you convinced that you will get the true length on this plane?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the angle that will show, this angle is with the horizontal plane, isn't it?
স্যার অ্যাঙ্গেলটা আরেকবার বলুন, বুঝতে পারছি না কোন অ্যাঙ্গেল।
আচ্ছা, অ্যাঙ্গেলটা
হ্যাঁ
আমি
স্যার,
আরেকবার
আমি বুঝতে পারছি না।
অ্যাঙ্গেলটা আমি আরেকবার বলছি ভাই, কোনো চিন্তা করো না, দাঁড়াও। এর মধ্যে কি আঁকা যায়? আচ্ছা, আমার কার্সারটা ফলো করো, ফলো মাই কার্সার। This line with this particular line, horizontal line, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা যদি মাপা হয়, this angle, this line will have an angle with the horizontal line, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This angle with the angle with the horizontal plane, isn't it?
হ্যাঁ।
Yes.
এবার বোঝা গেছে কোন অ্যাঙ্গেল?
হ্যাঁ।
So এই লাইনটাকে যদি এক্সটেন্ড করা হয়, if this line is extended to have this particular angle with the horizontal plane, isn't it the same alpha that we have got earlier? আলফা কাকে বলে? এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটার হরাইজন্টাল প্লেনের সঙ্গে যে এই লাইনটার যে অ্যাঙ্গেল হরাইজন্টাল প্লেনের সাথে, that is alpha. So how to get this alpha? This line, if it is extended, then this angle is alpha, isn't it? এটা বোঝা গেছে?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to get the true length and alpha? You have to get a plane parallel to the horizontal projection, right? হরাইজন্টাল প্রজেকশনের সঙ্গে প্যারালাল একটা প্লেনে আমি ট্রু লেংথ এন্ড আলফা অ্যাঙ্গেল পাবো। ইজ ইট ওকে?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what I was looking for. So I can get the true length and the angle alpha in this particular method also, instead of our known revolution method. Can I say this? Can I say this?
আরেকবার বলুন।
এই revolution মেথডটা ছাড়াও, instead of this revolution method, with that particular additional plane, we can get the same true length and alpha. Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
So in order to get it, we need not have this sort of revolution and anything. I think it's better to draw again. So let us delete this thing. Again, you will have only AV and BV and AH and BH, right? You will have AV and BV and AH and BH, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, oh sorry, BH টা আবার চলে গেল। Anyway, no problem. Let's have him. Okay, fine. So we are having two lines. This is your AV BV. And suppose this is your AHBH. It is very much possible. Sorry, this should be joined. Now is it okay? Now is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what we should do, we should take an additional plane parallel to the horizontal projection. As is shown in this particular video, we must have this, right? An additional plane parallel to the horizontal projection, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So let us have a plane parallel to the horizontal projection. I can have this. It is parallel, right, to the horizontal projection. Okay. And this plane we name, follow this particular thing, this is very important. This plane we name, suppose plane A, And what is this side? This is your plane H. I am showing you in the video again. See, this yellow plane is plane A, right? And the partition line that we have drawn, that is the partition between the horizontal plane and the A plane, isn't it? So we have written that this partition line, this red line, is the partition between the horizontal plane and the A plane. As we have written here, this is the partition between vertical and horizontal. This is the partition between vertical and profile. So this red plane is the partition between H and A plane. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, as you already know, this particular thing, how to get this particular view, that we must determine that, okay, fine, it is seen that this particular view is here, and this particular view is actually providing the true length. But in our sense, how to get the particular view here, that we do not know, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just follow, how did you find out the profile projection? You will find out the same way the projection in the A plane. What happened in case of profile projection, man? You actually extended, or you actually projected this AV and BV towards the profile plane, isn't it? কি তাই তো?
Yes, sir.
So you projected it, and then you cut the length from the horizontal to this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So what happened? You have to project it towards the partition line and then cut the next one to this. What do I mean by the next one? See, this is VH and this is VP, right? Follow this, this is very important. This is VH plane and this is VP plane. So when you are projecting from the V plane to P, how are you getting this particular length to be cut? That you are finding out from the other plane H. Got my point or not?
Yes.
Now I am following the same trend, okay? I have to project it perpendicular to this particular HA partition line, isn't it? I have to project it like this, point A and point B. Are you having any problem in it?
No,
or
sir.
is it okay to you? I think it is okay, right? So on this line, anywhere the projection of A will be there on this capital A plane, and projection of small b will be there on this capital A plane. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And how to find out where is it?
Sir, vertical plane থেকে measure করব।
Exactly. You have to, as this is HV and this is HA, so in order to find out the position on A, you have to find out the position from V. So this length should be cut here. Is it clear to you? and somewhere here you will get the projection of A. Is it okay to you?
Yes, sir.
And for BV, this is the length you need to cut. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I know that handling this particular paint software is not very easy. So I am sorry for the distortion of these particular things. But at least I think you can follow that somewhere here, the projection of B will be here. Can you
Yes,
follow
sir.
this particular thing? I think there is not much problem in it. So this is your
A.
AA and this is your BA. Can I say this particular thing? I think I can. And if I join these two, I will obviously get the true length of AB, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes.
And how to get the angle? This line and the angle was with this particular partition line. Yes or no? I am showing again. This projection, the angle with the partition of the two plane, that will give you the alpha. Yes or no? Are you ball?
Yes, sir.
So you tell me how to get the angle with this particular line. Either you can extend it, or you can
Yes, sir.
have a construction line parallel to this, and you can say that this angle is nothing but your alpha. Is it all right or not?
Yes, sir.
And this method is called the auxiliary plane method. Can you predict? How can you find out beta? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
predict? How can you find
ভার্টিক্যাল
out?
ভার্টিক্যাল প্রজেকশনের উপর নেব, প্যারালাল একটা প্লেন নিতে হবে।
Exactly. Can the other guys follow what he has told?
Yes.
That a plane parallel to
No, sir.
horizontal projection that gives you the true length and alpha. So a plane parallel to vertical projection will obviously give you the beta. Should I show it? দেখাবো?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us take a line, a plane rather, parallel to the vertical projection. Okay. This plane can be termed as suppose VB. No problem in this, right? কি হবে তো?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Project it again. What are the lengths to be cut? What are the lengths to be cut?
Sir, A, sir, BH.
Yes. This one should be this one, and somewhere here will be your BB, and somewhere here will be your AB. This length I mean cut here. দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। This length is this length. Is it all right? Is it all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your AB, and this is BB. If you join these two, again you are going to get the true length. এটা হবে তো?
Yes, sir.
And what is the angle?
Beta.
This angle, right? This angle will be your beta. Yes or no? Is it
Yes,
clear,
sir.
the auxiliary plane method?
Yes, sir.
It is easy. It is really easy. I am not asking you and I am not showing how to find out gamma. That is very easy. You have to take a plane parallel to the profile projection and make that PC and take the length from the vertical plane. Obviously, be sincere that if you take one PC and if you take the length from the vertical plane, these lengths won't be good enough. You have to take from the VP line to the vertical plane. আমি যখন টি এর সঙ্গে আরেকটা পিসি বলবো, তখন যে লেংথ গুলো নেব সেটা কিন্তু ভিপির পারপেন্ডিকুলার যে পার্টিশন লাইন সেটার থেকে লেংথ গুলো নিতে হবে করেসপন্ডিং। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
স্যার
So I
এমনি
think
প্রজেকশন গুলো কি করে করব, মানে কোশ্চেন দেওয়া ছিল যে কোঅর্ডিনেটস দেওয়া আছে, তো সেই কোঅর্ডিনেটস থেকে
দেখিয়েছিলাম ভাই, সেটা তো প্রথমেই দেখিয়েছিলাম। You see, this is your origin, okay? This is your origin, right? You
Okay.
tell me one particular thing that is given as, suppose it is given as 25. Suppose it is given as 25 minus 10, 40. এরকম দেওয়া থাকে তো?
হ্যাঁ
You see 25 in the x-axis. Minus 10 means in the minus y direction, that is in the horizontal plane.
okay.
And 40 means positive z direction in the vertical plane. Is it clear?
ও হ্যাঁ এবার বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Be sincere. If it is not minus 10, instead it is plus 10, then the horizontal projection will be here. এটা হতেই পারে that the horizontal projection is also seems to be in the upside of the partition line. That will virtually means, I am showing you here, that will virtually mean that this green plane, this is not ended here, like, right? This green plane is extended beyond, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that virtually means that the projection is in the extended part of the plane. And as far as the thing I have shown you earlier, that will virtually mean that this guy is actually standing behind the door. See this particular green plane, this is extended beyond this blue plane, na? So if the projection is in this particular section, that means the door is not opened like this, the door is opened in the opposite direction, right? So as per our conception, this green is the horizontal plane and positive y is in this direction, negative y is in this direction. For the vertical plane, positive z is like this, upward, and negative z is downward. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And positive y is beyond you, negative y is towards you, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it? How to get these particular coordinates? The coordinate of B will be somewhat like 45 minus 15 and plus 12, maybe, suppose. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Just follow the concept and I think you can get this particular thing correct. So is the auxiliary view method clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody having any query regarding it? Anybody having any query regarding it?
No, sir.
Okay. So in your problem sheet, let's come down again to the problem sheet. problems on this particular auxiliary view methods. And as per my previous see, number 6, number 6 is the problem that will actually ask you to get it by auxiliary view method, right? কি হলো, ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
Those are a bit offline, but you can have this particular thing done with this particular method name. Anyway, for number 6, rule number 1 to 6, do the Roman 1, rule number 7 to 12, Roman 2, and rest Roman 3. That was the division, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And numbers 7 and 8, all of you try out. I will come to the next problems in the next class, but number 6 you can do very easily, and number 7 and 8, all of you guys try out at least. Okay, just try out. Just try out. Then in the next class that will be taken care of. You need not worry. So, if anybody is having any problem, he or she may ask me, or otherwise I will end this particular session.
Sir, problem sheet টাতে একবার যান।
হ্যাঁ, এই তো আছি ভাই, প্রবলেম সিটেই আছি, বলো।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 2 টাতে যেটা EF টা বলেছে না 25 মিলিমিটার away from virtual plane, ওটার মানে কি?
ভার্টিক্যাল প্লেন, ভার্টিক্যাল প্লেন
ভার্টিক্যাল প্লেন
বলে দিচ্ছি, একটু বুদ্ধি খাটাতে হবে না। If something is 25 millimeter away from the vertical plane, follow the case first. Suppose this particular guy is standing 25 millimeter away from the vertical plane. হতে পারে?
Yes, sir. হতে পারে।
Where can you see this particular projection? You will find out on the horizontal projection, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
এইটা 25 মিলিমিটার হবে, তাই তো? This one will be 25 millimeter, isn't it? So accordingly, if you want to draw, some point is 25 millimeter away from the vertical plane. So from this partition line, this will be 25 millimeter away. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. মানে প্যারালাল হবে তো?
হ্যাঁ, কারণ প্যারালাল হবে তার কারণটা 25 মিলিমিটার অ্যাওয়েটা নয়, তার কারণ হচ্ছে ইট ইজ আ ফ্রন্টাল লাইন। সো ফ্রন্টাল লাইন মিন্স হোয়াট? ফ্রন্টাল লাইন মিন্স ইট ইজ প্যারালাল টু দ্য ভার্টিক্যাল প্লেন, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ।
Just like this hands of this guy, this hand of this guy is parallel to the vertical plane, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ।
Actually the total guy is parallel to the vertical plane.
হ্যাঁ।
So how is it look like? It will be parallel to this particular partition line and it will be 25 millimeter away. Yes or no? বুঝা গেছে?
Yes, sir. মানে ওটাকে আমরা সবসময় নেগেটিভই ধরবো তো?
না, সেটা লেখা আছে নিশ্চয়ই, দেখে নি, দাঁড়াও। frontal line in front of VP. দেখো লেখা আছে বাবা, in front of VP. So what is in
আচ্ছা।
front? যদি বলতো behind তাহলে পেছনে ধরতাম, যেহেতু বলেছি in front তাই সামনে ধরবো, অসুবিধা আছে?
না, ঠিক আছে।
Okay. একটু বুদ্ধি খাটাও, বেরিয়ে যাবে। a bit tedious, একটু চিন্তা করতে হয়, কিন্তু একটু বুদ্ধি খাটাও বেরিয়ে যাবে, আমি এটুকুই বলতে পারি। ঠিক আছে, খুব কঠিন ছিল না তো?
না, এখন বুঝতে পেরেছি, আগে মানে পড়তে গেছিলাম তখন বুঝতে পারিনি।
ঠিক আছে, অলরাইট অলরাইট, এই ডিসকাশন গুলো চলতেই পারে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, এটা করতেই হবে, কারণ অ্যাবাউট দ্য লাইন্স যদি ডিসকাশন গুলো কমপ্লিট না হয় তাহলে এরপরে যখন অ্যাবাউট দ্য প্লেনস যাব তখন তো আরো সমস্যা হবে। তো অ্যাবাউট দ্য লাইন্স পুরো জিনিসটাকে আগে ভালোভাবে বুঝে নাও, জাস্ট গেট ইট all things, get it absolutely clear whenever you are dealing with the lines. Otherwise, when in case of a plane, those will be jumbled up. Okay, so I think you can take care of these particular problems on lines, and in the next class we will concentrate on planes. Okay, so anybody having any other query? Otherwise I will end the session. নাও ঠালা, কেউ কিছু বলে না। Should I end the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me stop the recording.